Hey guys, welcome to Infinite. In this video, let's see why India is buying the S-400 air defense systems. In October 2018, India signed a $5.43 billion deal with Russia for 5 S-400 air defense systems on the sidelines of the summit meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Mr. Putin. The US had warned that the deal could attract sanctions under the Countering America's Adversaries Through Sanctions Act law that restricts defense purchases from Russia, Iran and North Korea. First, let's try to understand what S-400 air defense system is and why countries including India and others are interested to buy it. The S-400 Triumph is a mobile surface-to-air missile system designed by Russia. Mobile means it can be transported on a heavy vehicle and can be deployed anywhere. Surface-to-air means it's launched from the ground and it can hit targets in the sky. The S-400 Triumph air defense system integrates a multifunction radar, autonomous detection and targeting systems, anti-aircraft missile systems, launchers and command and control center on a single heavy vehicle and can be moved anywhere. It is capable of firing 3 types of missiles to create layered defense. The S-400 is twice as effective as the previous Russian air defense systems and can be deployed within 5 minutes. It can also be integrated into the existing and future air defense units of the Air Force, Army and Navy. The radar can detect and track aircraft, rotorcraft, cruise missiles, guided missiles, drones and ballistic rockets within the distance of 600 km. It can simultaneously track up to 300 targets. It is a supersonic missile, which means it has speed above Mach 1, that is 4,284 km per hour, faster than the speed of sound. The S-400 primarily uses 4, 8 and 6 missile series that uses both cases of 143 kg high explosive fragmentation warhead. The system can engage all types of aerial targets including aircraft, unmanned aerial vehicles, ballistic and cruise missiles within the range of 400 km at an altitude of up to 30 km. The system can simultaneously engage 36 targets. The S-400 Triumph also launches medium-range ground-to-air missiles designed for direct impact. The missiles can strike fast-moving targets such as fighter aircraft with the high hit probability. It can both locate and destroy even the most advanced stealth jet fighters including American F-22 and F-35. The countries currently operating S-400 are Russia, China and Turkey. It is described as one of the best air defense systems currently made. The shipment comes at a time where there is growing friction between India, China and India-Pakistan. Hence, this air defense system would provide booster shot to India's military arsenal. First parts of squadron have already started reaching India and they would be deployed on a location where it can take on threats from both Pakistan and Chinese airspace. The first squadron delivery would be completed by the end of this year, and after its deployment, the Indian Air Force would start focusing towards the eastern front. As India is second largest importer of arms, India has long history of signing big ticket deals with Russia. This deal comes at a time of increased friction between the US and Russia and New Delhi's own deepening defense cooperation with Washington. This deal is being seen as a reiteration of India's strategic autonomy in its foreign policy and can have serious implication on India's relationship with US. Well, these were some of the interesting facts about India's S-400 deal. Please share it with your friends and family members. If you have liked the video, please give thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.